Solitaire Cash isn't the only skill-based game where you compete against other players, and several alternatives offer similar competitive gameplay with different game mechanics and tournament styles. By the end, you'll know the 5 best alternatives to Solitaire Cash, and which one is most likely to match the way you like to play. Let's start with a game that feels very familiar. Number 5 is Ein Solitaire Smash. Solitaire Smash keeps the focus on timed solitaire matches where every player receives the same card layout. Rankings depend on how efficiently you clear the deck, making quick decisions and avoiding unnecessary moves more important than luck. Number 4 is Ein 21 Blitz Mitstein. 21 Blitz combines classic solitaire with blackjack scoring. Instead of simply finishing the board, you're building card combinations that maximize points before time runs out. It rewards players who enjoy strategy just as much as speed. Now let's look at games outside traditional card play. Number 3 is Ein Bubble Cashi. Bubble Cash replaces cards with bubble shooting gameplay. You'll compete against players with similar skill levels by clearing bubbles as quickly and accurately as possible. If you want the same competitive feeling without playing solitaire, this is a strong option. Number 2 is Ein Bingo Cash. Bingo Cash shifts the competition from cards to bingo boards while keeping fast-paced multiplayer matches. Players race to complete objectives and earn higher scores within a limited amount of time. It's one of the easiest transitions if you're looking for another skill-based game instead of another solitaire app. The top recommendation is a Blackout Bingo. Blackout Bingo builds on traditional bingo with competitive tournaments, power-ups, and quick matches. Like Solitaire Cash, success depends on how efficiently you play within the game's scoring system, rather than simply relying on chance. Many players alternate between these two apps depending on whether they're in the mood for cards or bingo. Before installing any skill-based game, check whether it's available where you live. Tournament eligibility and cash prize availability can vary by country, state, or platform, so two players may not see the exact same experience. It's also worth completing each game's tutorial before entering paid or competitive matches. Every app has its own scoring rules, controls, and matchmaking system, and understanding those differences makes it much easier to compete effectively. To summarize, Solitaire Smash is the closest match for classic solitaire competition. 21 Blitz adds more strategy. Bubble Cash offers a different style of skill-based gameplay. Bingo Cash brings fast multiplayer bingo, and Blackout Bingo is the strongest overall alternative if you want another competitive mobile game with quick matches. If this list helped you find your next game, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons, gaming guides and mobile rewards content.